Okay, so our morning routine 10 minutes starts now. Okay, सबसे पहले हम लोग कोल्ड प्रेस सेसमे ऑयल लेंगे और उससे ऑयल पुलिंग करेंगे. ऑयल पुलिंग कैसे करते हैं?
Now this oil pulling is very good for our body. It detoxifies the body naturally, clears the gut, which means clear skin. Then using the rose geranium oil, we will do a mini foot massage for both the feet so that it boosts the blood flow and energy. See, relaxed feet equal to relaxed face. Now using the same oil, rose geranium oil, we will do Nabhi massage. This is to support digestion and hormones, and healthy navel means glowing skin. So the direction has to be up from the right side and then down from the left side. Up from the right side, down from the left side. Up from the right side, down from the left side. So upright, always remember. Now using the same oil, we do kidney rub to energize our kidney. Good kidneys, less fatigue and brighter look on the face. Now we get rid of the oil. Don't throw it, throw it in a dustbin, not in the wash basin. Now using the same sesame oil, we do Nyasa drops to clear the sinus and breath flow. So more oxygen again means brighter skin. So very little in both the nostrils. Okay, now the best part, which is cold face dip, we'll do it 3 times. This is to tighten the pore and lift the mood instantly. And this is instant puffiness relief. Feel the freshness. Now using the witch hazel toner for hydration, soft glow, dewy finish. Deep breath and enjoy. Okay, now my favorite Kumkumadi oil to improve circulation and glow, to reduce puffiness and fade the spots. We will do a proper 2-minute massage. Look at each of the steps that we do on the neck, on the jawline, on the forehead, and deep breath along with each step. So first we apply on the full face. Deep breathing with each stroke. as we do on the forehead, we do Ujjayi Pranayam. Using Shitli Pranayam, we do on the laugh lines to the top of the forehead and bring it down. Do Shitli Pranayam as you do this. So now, using our roll-on eye massage, this is the depuffing eye roll-on to reduce eye bags and brighter, fresher eyes. So look at the proper massage technique. So under the eyes, then take it to the ear. And down through the neck. Now using the fingers, we massage. Tapping on the lower eyes. Now we move to the ear massage to relax the nerves and the stress. Calm ears is calm face. Okay, you can apply a lip balm now if you like. And let's go out. Okay, barefoot on the grass, looking at the sun, navel exposed towards sunlight. This will immediately energize the skin cells. Softly look at the sun. If you can't look directly, you can close your eyes, keeping your face in the direction of the sun to improve focus and mental clarity. And there should be sunlight falling on your navel. Then we do kiss the sky pose. It makes our posture better and lungs stronger. Now, with a lot of joy in our heart, we do clapping for 1 minute. The heart should be full of love, and there should be a smile on your face as you do this. Now we start the face and body tapping. To wake up the muscles and let the sunlight bake the Kumkumadi oil and the pure oils that we put. And it helps the absorption of all those things into the body, into the face. Release all the stored tension. Give it to the earth, give it to the sun, and just enjoy.
Now we do palming. Rub your hands and put on your face. With deep breath, feel the warmth. Again, this relaxes tired eyes and reduces the strain on the face. Feel your hands. Feel the love in your hands. Bye bye. That's it.
Gare ga za re ga za ga ga re za ne za re re sa re ga ma ba ga ma re ga ma ba ga ma dha ga ma ni ra da ba ma ba ga ma dha ni sa da ne da re sa ne da ba dha ba ma ga ma re sa re ga ga ma re sa sa re ga ga ma re sa sa re ga ga ma re